Next question. Z Company Limited issued a commercial paper worth rupees 10 crore as per the following details. Date of issue 16th of January 2019. Date of maturity 17th of April 2019. Time period of issue is 91 days. Rate of interest is 12.04%. What was the net amount received by the company on issue of the commercial paper? Charges of intermediary may be ignored. That is the question. Everybody please go through the question. Now friends, as far as the commercial paper is concerned, it is a money market instrument and so it is issued by the company basically to meet with its short-term requirement of the funds. Technically it is like the working capital requirement. It can be issued either in the interest bearing form or it can be issued at a discount and the redemption is at face value, similar to deep discount bond or similar to zero coupon bond. Over here the question says that only you are required to compute what was the net amount received by the company on issue of the commercial paper. It means that assuming that the commercial paper is issued at discount and the redemption is at face value, we are required to compute the amount received by Z Company on issue of the commercial paper. Please write an answer. First point, commercial paper is issued for short time period. Full stop. It is a money market instrument. Full stop. Second point, it is issued either in interest bearing form or it can be issued similar to zero coupon bond or deep discount bond. Full stop. It means it will be issued at a discount and the redemption will be at face value. Full stop. Generally, it is issued at a discount and a redemption at face value, that is rupees 10 crore in this example. Full stop. Now try to calculate the answer on your own. What is the net amount that will be received by the company? So over here we understand like this. Maturity amount, write an answer along with me. is equal to investment plus interest. So we understand that say the maturity amount is the redemption value, that is 10 crore. Investment is X plus X into rate of interest is provided to us in the example as 12.04 percentage. 12.04 percentage into time period which they have provided ready-made to us as 91 days. Friends, we have been given the dates as 16th of January to 17th of April. So it is January, February, March and April. Year is 2019. So for January we will take of course 28 days. For March of course 31 days. For April, if at all I take 17 days, then in that case 91 minus 28 minus 31 minus 17. 15 days of the January is taken. That is 31 minus 16. Means we understand that so the date of investment is excluded for the purpose of calculation of answer. I am making this calculation just to give you a clarity that suppose this 91 days is not provided to us in the question, then how to make the calculation of number of days. 31 minus 16, 15 days of January, 28 of February, 31 of March and 17 days of April, that comes to 91 days. Fine. So over here the time period is 91 divided by 365. Okay. So now over here we can take X as common and X can be calculated as balancing figure. 10 crore divided by X is taken common, so 1 into, that is 1 plus 1 into 0.1204 into 91 divided by 365. This is the way we are required to calculate the answer. So over here 1 into 12.04 percentage into 91 divided by 365 plus 1. So that becomes the division. So it is 1.03001753424 and the numerator is 10 crore. So 10 crore divided by this, it comes to 9 crore 70 lakhs 85,726. 9.71 crore is also acceptable, there is no issue. This is the way the net amount to be received by the company will be calculated.